Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can enable Gemini inside of your Google Workspace typical apps. And those include Google Docs, Google Sheets, Gmail, and all of those. Okay. And this is the mobile version, but you can also do this inside of the web version. And for that, you just have to go to gemini.com and do basically the same things. Okay, so the first thing is we need to go to our profile, which is this lettering here, and we're gonna click on extensions, okay, which is this puzzle piece that we have. Now, once we do that, Google is gonna show us what the different extensions had that we have enabled so far. And as you can see here, I have messages, I have telephone, WhatsApp, and all of that. But I do not have Google Workspace. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna enable now. It says, do you want to connect to Google Workspace? We're just gonna read through and accept all the terms and click on continue. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.